This wig was literally like a boom and a snap, like 2 minutes, done, baby. Looking like a whole brand new fine, you know what I'm saying? Just looking good, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review. Now, I've been seeing these everywhere. This is the box that they have and it's so freaking cute. It's purple, it has their logo as you can see, and then it has this purple bow on it as well. So we're gonna take this little ribbon off, just slide it off, and this is how it looked. So you have goodies right here and under, and then you have the wig on top. So the wig comes in a bag like this. It's purple and it also says love me. I absolutely love when companies send me goodies. Y'all know this, y'all know, and that'd be the first thing that I look at. Like, the wig is important obviously, but like I want to see what else they sent me too. So the first thing in here is a bunch of headbands. It is a headband wig, so they also send me a bunch of different headbands. So this was really thoughtful. I actually really appreciate this because I have never owned a headband wig, so this is definitely gonna help me out as far as like styling it and all of that, because I have no idea how to style it. So back to the wig, this is what it looks like again. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and pull it out of the bag. This is the wig right here and it has a net on it, so we're gonna take the net off. This color is called Sugar Plum. It's actually really pretty. It's like a burgundy, like a burgundy wine red type of color. It's really, really pretty and really, really vibrant in person. But yeah, this is the wig. It is a deep wave wig and it's 20 inches. This is what the wig looks like on the inside. This is the band, like the headband material that is around it. But if you lift it up, y'all can fully see like inside of the wig. So it has clips all up and through. So your hair is gonna be secure. You got 4 clips, the back, the sides, and the front. It's pretty tight to make sure it's like really secure on your head. So this is what it looks like. In this black part, you can either wear it as is, or you can use the 5 free headband accessories that they sent to you as well, and you use those to cover up the black part. But yeah, so this is how the wig looks. It's super, super cute, super soft. What I'm gonna go do next is take this wig off and put this one on so y'all can see what it looks like. And this is the one that you need to add to your wig collection because baby, like this is a very nice like on the go type of wig. Like it's a headband wig, so you can literally just throw this on, like snap it and go about your day. Like I absolutely love this for that purpose. So I just put the wig on and it was super duper easy to put this wig on, install it, or whatever you want to say. I literally just put it on my head, put my clips in my hair so that it was secure, and then this band right here on the perimeter of my head, there is a Velcro type of material where you just put it together and it's literally easy as 1, 2, 3. So I put this wig on and I used a little bit of water in this mousse right here just to really bring out that deep wave texture. Like let me show y'all. Like look how beautiful this deep wave is. Like but yeah, I find that using a little bit of water and a little bit of mousse really, really helps this type of hair texture like really thrive. Like you see how beautiful. Y'all saw clearly that it was beautiful without it, like dry with no product. But I really just wanted to show y'all that it's really, really beautiful if you add a little bit of water and mousse. It really brings it out, really just defines the curls a lot more. Like you see how, look how defined it is. Look how beautiful that is. And bring it to the front like this. And it's super duper cute. Like look at that. This is a look already. This wig literally, I put this wig on in literally like 2 minutes and already like I look good. I look really good. This wig is no doubt a yes for me. Like literally it took me 2 minutes to put it on. I could wear it like this. I can wear one of the 5 headbands that they sent to me. I could wear a scarf from the beauty supply store. If you wanted to put a scarf on there, you could put a scarf. If you wanted to do one of those sparkly headbands, you could do that. I'm gonna take this one, put it over. I'm trying to like mask that the black bandana, but y'all get the point. Like easy just like that. I got a whole nother little look, you know what I'm saying? I got the pattern going on. I think it looks nice with my robe. I think it looks nice with this hair color. This sugar plum color is so cute. Like this is so cute. I highly recommend this wig for students. I recommend this wig for moms. I recommend this wig for anybody that's on the go. Like add it to your collection because when I say this wig was literally like a boom and a snap, like 2 minutes, done baby. looking like a whole brand new fine, you know what I'm saying? Just looking good. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. And what's so crazy about these headband wigs are I've been seeing them. I've never thought like, oh, I want to order one. But when I'm telling you, like, this is a game changer, like, get this wig. Like, get a freaking headband wig.